Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online reputation with Trustpilot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current online reputation. Search for your business on Trustpilot and review existing customer feedback. Identify any negative reviews and take note of common themes. Set up a Trustpilot account if you haven't already. Complete your business profile with accurate and engaging information. Add your logo and any relevant images to enhance your profile. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Create a follow-up strategy using email or SMS to reach out post-purchase. Respond promptly to any reviews, both positive and negative. Thank customers for their positive feedback and address concerns in negative reviews. Use Trustpilot's review integration tools on your website to showcase customer feedback. Share your Trustpilot reviews on social media and other marketing channels. Regularly monitor your reviews and make improvements based on customer feedback. Consider Trustpilot's premium features for advanced insights and analytics. Engage with your audience by asking for feedback on your products or services. Continuously improve your offerings based on the insights gained from reviews. Remember, enhancing your online reputation is an ongoing process. Stay committed to providing excellent customer service and collecting feedback. Watch your online reputation grow as you implement these strategies. Ultimately, a strong presence on Trustpilot will enhance trust and credibility for your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.